welcome back to my channel. I'm super excited for today's video. It is going to be a summer day in my life with the baby. Basically, we are just gonna be doing some fun summer activities all day long. Can you say hi? Can you show them how you say hi? Say hi. You wave. Oh, all right. Oh my goodness. Okay, mom life these days. I'm also super excited because today's video is sponsored by All Good Diapers. They sent us some diapers back a couple months ago and we have been loving them. I only have a few left. Oh my goodness. You need to go back in your ball pit. I'm not done. Okay, she's distracted. What I love about All Good is that they have teamed up with Feeding America. So with every box of diapers purchased, they donate a day's worth of diapers to a little one in need, which is amazing. And I love these diapers because they leave out all of the bad stuff and only put the good stuff in. So these are fragrance free, elemental chlorine bleach free, paraben free, latex free. Oh my goodness, she wants to be my cameraman today. Hello. These diapers are also hypoallergenic and breathable. Cove is wearing a diaper literally 24/7. Like, she's always wearing a diaper. I want her to be comfortable. I don't want any bad stuff in them. So we love these. They are great. These are exclusively sold at Walmart. So you guys can go to walmart.com/allgood, or you can click the link in my description. Anyways, I think we're gonna get started with our first activity, which I've been wanting to do for weeks now. I kind of did something like this a few months ago, but we're gonna make some paint. Can you show us your cute diaper? Show me your cute bum. Let's see. Cutest bummy. Anyways, this is just how this video is gonna go. This is filming with a 10-month-old. But I have some yogurt and we're gonna make some paint, and I'm actually gonna let her do it in the bathtub so she can totally just like make a huge mess and then it'll be really easy to clean up. Are you gonna play? Yeah. Okay, so I'm gonna head downstairs and get started with that little DIY recipe. Okay, so this little DIY is super easy to make. All you need is some yogurt and some food coloring. Honestly, I'm worried about this like staining her hands and like clothes and everything, but I'm trying to be a fun mom today, so we're gonna test it out. You literally just mix yogurt with food coloring, and then I'm gonna let her just go crazy playing with it in the bathtub. So super easy, and hopefully it does not stain everything. Baby, got it all figured out. Wanna do this right. There's no doubt. Are you ready? She has this old PJ shirt on so that if anything gets on it, it doesn't matter. Should we give you these bowls? We got pink, we got green, we got blue, and we got purple. Okay. Oh, you're just playing with that? She's going for it. Oh my goodness, what is that? Are you scared? Oh. Ooh. Whoa, is that fun? Oh. You don't know how I shiver inside. Doesn't show, but my nerves are inside out. It's because you're not worth less than perfection. Ooh, thought it was in my pants now. Okay, the next activity for our summer day of fun is we're gonna eat lunch outside and have a little picnic. The paint lasted maybe like 10 minutes and then she was over it, so Parker actually just gave her a bath. She is all fresh and clean. I'm going to make some lunch for her. I have a little like veggie rice bowl. That is her favorite thing to eat. So we're gonna go outside. I'll show you guys our setup for when we have like a little lunch date outside. Super simple and easy, but it's just a fun way to get some like fresh air without having to actually like leave the house or go anywhere. I'm gonna get that ready. And all the things that you do, sounds like a fool, 'cause when you touch my hair, the words goes away. All right, we got everything set up. Parker's making us some lunch. Kobe has some veggies, some rice, some tofu. Luma wants a bite. No. She's also got some raspberries, which are her favorite fruit. It's perfect temperature outside, so we're sitting under the umbrella. This is our favorite mat to eat on because it's faux leather, so it just wipes right off. So she can get super messy and it's easy cleanup. Is it good? Guys, Parker's attempting to make us paninis without a panini maker. We'll see how those turn out. Cove also decided she wanted to eat inside. Huh, did you crawl towards the door? She ate like half of her food outside. I'm gonna give her a little bit more and then we're gonna go play. Do you wanna do some bubbles? Is it just turning into a grilled cheese?
Basically.
He tried to put like the pan on top of it and it just stuck to it, right?
Yeah, didn't work.
That looks good though, is that one mine?
Yep.
I got this big bubble wand that Cove thinks is so fun. Should we do these? We also have a little bubble machine. Should we turn that on? Oh my goodness! Kobe, are you ready for naps? Change your bum and take a nap. Going to wake up Kobe. Hey, good morning. Hi. Hello. Okay, the next thing we are doing on our summer day of fun, now that Cope is awake from her nap, is we are actually at a splash pad. We've never taken her to one of these before. I feel like she's still a little bit young since she can't walk. I think once she can walk, she would really like it, but I wanted to bring her because it's her first summer and we haven't been in summer. I feel like it's like halfway over. So there's a couple little things that I think she can kind of like crawl on. I don't know.
Look, and
We're
look
gonna
at this
see.
lady, what she's doing. No, she's not gonna crawl. We're not gonna put her down.
Yeah, I guess.
We're just gonna like put her hand in the water coming out.
Yeah.
And maybe like stick her under one of the, like over there. Yeah, stick her in that.
I didn't
one.
even like put her in a swimsuit because I didn't know.
Go.
Hey, Jen.
You had a splash pad. Be careful, because I think there might be like holes in the ground that
I know.
spit out.
Yeah,
Over
she
here.
definitely couldn't crawl on this. I don't
Oh,
know.
let's go to that over there. Go. Go. Yay.
Put your foot in
It's hot. Woohoo! Is that fun or scary? I can't tell.
Kobe, this would definitely be a million times better if she could walk. Oh my goodness. Kobe, do you like it? No. Are you having fun?
That one would soak you.
We're just like standing here walking around waiting for things to go off.
I think that's how all splash pads are, isn't
I
it? though?
guess, yeah. If you have a kid that can walk, then they could like go to it themselves and would have fun. We're having fun, but this would be really fun when she can walk. Did you get your foot wet?
I got my whole foot
I
soaked.
know, my legs are wet.
That was
Is that the
fun time.
funnest 10 minutes of your life?
Yeah.
Alright.
She said, yeah.
Well, we tried it. Next activity. Next stop on our summer day of fun is the food truck roundup. There's like 5 or 6 food trucks out here and I'm so excited. I love going to the food trucks. It's fun to just get to support some local businesses and get some good food. I always look up the menus for like all the different food trucks in advance to try and decide what I want. They have like a really similar sandwich to what you made me for lunch at this one.
Oh, really?
But it looks so good. So yeah, we're gonna get out, get some food. Hopefully we can find some shade at this park right here. Kobe loves it because she gets to just pig out on a million different good things. It's really windy today. This is what I look like getting back in the car. I got literally one shot and then we went up to the truck to order and the lady was like, oh yeah, I can do that, but I'm out of artichokes, which is like the main part of the sandwich. So we're actually gonna go to a different group of food trucks that's just up the street. That should be good because they have more shade at the park up there. So round number 2.
Night is over the park and a few brave stars. I give you the moon and my all is yours. Don't hesitate, just give me your all. Just give me your all. So let's fly into a dream I won't deny. I'm so in love, let's go for gold. Let's go for gold.
Hey girl, you cute.
If we ever was lost before, now we
Next up,
finally
bike
found
ride.
our way. And life is stronger than
You ready?
Are you ready, baby?
We will make our own way. Night is over the park and a few brave stars. I give you the moon and my all is yours. Don't hesitate, just give me your all. Just give me your all. So let's fly into a dream I won't deny. I'm so in love, let's go for gold. Yeah, yeah, let's go for gold.
I love you. Good night. All right, guys. So we are back, and Cove is in bed now. I hope you guys enjoyed seeing a realistic summer day in my life with the baby. We did a lot of activities, had kind of a lot of fails, but overall we had a good day. So I hope you guys enjoyed watching. Don't forget to check out All Good Diapers linked down below. Thank you again to them for sponsoring this video. That is it. Hi, Luma. Bye, guys.